Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn 10 songs that we can play with just one string and one finger. So let's get to it. So first song, Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple, should sound like this. So everything we're going to be doing today is going to be on your top string, on your E string. And we're going to break this one down into 4 little parts. Part 1, we're going to play 0-3-5. Part 2, 0-3-6-5. Part 3, same as part 1, 0-3-5. And then last part, 3-0. So song number 2 is going to be Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. It should sound like this. So we're going to start up at the double dots on fret number 12. We're going to play that once, leave a tiny pause, and then 12, 15, 12. So all together. Then as soon as you've done that, we're going to jump down to number 10 and then 8. Leaving a pause on that one, and then number 7. So all together. So that's the first go round, and then on the second go round it starts exactly the same, but when we get to the 8, instead of going to 7, we're going to jump back to 10 and play 10, 8 again. So it should be like this. And then the 7 to finish you off. So third song, Highway to Hell by ACDC, should sound like this. So we start on fret number 5, which we're going to pick 3 times. Leaving a pause, then 2, 2, 3. Leaving a pause, then 2, 2, 3 again, twice, but with no pause. So far we've got... And then last section, 2 on its own, 5, 5. Okay, song number 4, Eye of the Tiger, which sounds like this. Okay, little tip with this one, until near the end we're going to be all on spaces rather than dots. So we start on fret number 8, which we play on its own, then 8, 6, 8, then 8, 6, 8 again, then 8, 3, that's the first dot we're going to hit, 4. Okay, song number 5, All Day and All of the Night. Should sound like this. Okay, we're going to start with 1 3, then in reverse 3 1, then 1 all the way up to number 6. I like to slide this one. Okay, it doesn't matter if you want to pick each one. Okay, but then when we get to the 6, we do it 3 times. So 1 6 6 6 3. Okay, song number 6, Iron Man, sounds like this. Okay, a bit more tricky this one. We start on fret number 7, 10, 10 again, 2 12s. That was. Okay, then we're going to go up to 15 and 14, which we're going to play a few times quite quickly together. So 15, 14, 3 times. Back down to number 10 twice, 12 twice. Song number 7, Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana, should sound like this. So fret number 1 we're going to pick once, tiny pause and then 2 more times. Up to fret number 6 twice. Back to number 4, same rhythm as we did down at number 1, so once with a pause and then 2 quick ones. Up to fret number 9, just twice. Okay, song number 8, Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones, sounds like this. So starting on number 7 twice, then once more, but we're going to go 7, 9, 10 pretty quickly. So far. Okay, staying on 10, 2 10s in a row, 2 9s in a row. Pulled together. All Along the Watchtower by Jimi Hendrix should sound like this. So all on spaces again for this one, starting on number 6 twice, and then 4 times at number 8. Back to 6 twice, down to number 4 4 times. And final song, Running Down a Dream by Tom Petty, should sound like this. Okay, we're going to do 0 7 0 6 0 5 0 3 0. That last one, you can either pick those last two notes, 3 and 0, or I like to do a pull off. Let me know how you get on in the comments, guys. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time.